Good morning and Happy New Year, 1st of January 2024, and I'm going to attempt to summit Bynack More today, which is a Munro, so it'll be the first Munro of the year, so let's see how it goes. So, absolutely stunning morning. At the moment there's no wind, although as I get further up I'm expecting about 20 mile an hour winds. Not terribly frozen around here at the moment, so good running. And seen a couple of people, and I think there was someone seeing the new year in their tent just there. Just over 20 minutes in, and now at the green Lochan. First patches of snow. Sun's come out, it's going to be a beautiful day. On the ridge now, a bit more exposed up here. There's supposed to be 20 mile an hour winds today, and certainly feel them. So I'm just going to stop and put another layer on. That's better, a bit warmer now. I'm at about 650 meters. Still a lot of snow around, and it's probably going to be snowy all the way up. The snow might be blown off the ridge a bit further up, but we'll wait and see. And for now, onwards and upwards. Getting windier now. Got a few more layers on, but the weather forecast today is good. It's supposed to be clear and sunny all day. Absolutely beautiful. The wind's just dropped here. Absolutely sunny day. There's been 3 or 4 people I've seen up here today